So hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you the different lace that I make use of, and some of the mistakes that a lot of people make while ventilating their frontals. So I have this lace right here, and moving on to the next, I have another lace right here that I've set and I've already started ventilating on it. So I'll just move to this one and explain to you guys the reason for making this video. So most of the mistakes that we make, and I've already done this mistake in time past. So this particular lace tends to be elastic. You can see it's elastic, and then by the side of it is not as elastic as this side. So now the mistake we make, this particular part is not supposed to be in front. I've drawn the line for making the frontal and I've measured it already, so it's 11 by 4. This elastic part is supposed to be here. This is where it's supposed to be, while this non-elastic, this non-stretchy part is supposed to be here. So by the time you put it on your head, it doesn't stretch out. It's just going to fit on your head, ear to ear. So moving on to this next one. This is also 11 by 4. Yeah, it's 11 by 4.5 or 11 by 5. I've forgotten the actual measurement I made for this. Should be 11 by 5 frontal. So you can see it's not stretchy compared to the other one, while this is the stretchy part. Have you seen it? So the stretchy part is supposed to be by the side of the ear, while the non-stretchy part should be at the front. So I'm going to show you what it's going to look like when you use the stretchy part of your hair in front. So this is one of the lace frontal that we ventilated, and we had to go in with a foundation to blend this in and make it fit with the complexion of our client. Okay, so I actually measured this lace to be a 12 by 4 lace frontal, and it was measured by one of my apprentices, and we didn't get to check the mistake done on this not until we are done ventilating and then sewing the wig, and then I realized it's stretching out, while this is the non-stretchy part that's supposed to be in front. So because we made use of the stretchy part, you know, it keeps on expanding. It doesn't fit to the head as it's supposed to. So I'll put this on and show you guys how it looks. So I'm just going to put on this wig so you guys see how it looks on me, okay? So this is what I meant. The hair is not actually it doesn't fit on my head, though my measurement is 11, but this is 12, but it's a lot bigger than my size. It looks like a measurement of 13 and not 12. So the ventilation is actually nice. Everything came out well. But for the lace, it's stretching out. So the only thing that's going to make this lace fit in properly is when you install this with a glue. So me putting this on won't look like I can't put this on glueless because it moves. Okay, and to this part also I ventilated it as a 12 by 4, but this is it. It's stretching out, so it shrinks back and then it stretches, you see. So it's going to seem very hard to part this. I haven't really gone in with my hot comb or whatever to style this on, but I just want to show you guys. This is it. So does this mean I can't really part this properly, style this without it stretching out? These are supposed to be now, but then it shrinks back. Well, my prayer is after installation the hair should look nice again. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks for watching up to this very moment. So if you're just watching this video for the first time, or you're just seeing me for the first time, sorry, I'm Rox-T Styles. It's so good to have you in my channel. Please do well to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you.